Dear President Chue, fellow professors and deans of the faculty, vice presidents, and especially to you, members of the incoming class of freshmen, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to you all. It is excellent to return to Kyung Hee once again. I'm honored to be able to share my thoughts with you about this important topic, education and the future of humankind. I've entered a new chapter in the story of your own education, perhaps the most important chapter of your entire life. What is now expected of you here at Kyung Hee and of what you must strive to do has changed in its very nature of your development. It has changed, or it asks you to change, in how you must think. It has changed in the nature of the questions you must ask and in the method of your search to the answers to these questions. It has changed really in the ordering of your mind, because only with a differently ordered mind can you reach the altogether different and much higher levels of education and understanding. The years of your undergraduate education will allow some of you, indeed I hope all of you, the chance to grasp at a very different form of thinking. This is what I mean by saying you have crossed a watershed, you have entered a new chapter. What is the different form of thinking? Thinking about uncertainty, thinking about moral choices and philosophy, thinking about what makes a certain book a great novel. Not a good novel, not a normal one, but a great novel. Thinking about difficult political choices. Thinking about war and peace. Thinking about alternative economic policies. Thinking about the lessons of history. All of this, you see, is grappling with inexact topics. Grappling with alternative answers, grappling with in-between answers rather than the absolute good and the absolute bad. This is not so easy, ladies and gentlemen. In fact, it is much harder than learning about how to build supercomputers, because it is learning about human beings who are the most complicated things that live on this earth. You came to university, and I know President Chue hopes you came to university for something else. You came here to begin, and I stress begin, to learn about how to interpret human nature. I would like to make one further very important point. It is the task of a university, chiefly of its professors, to respond to students' feelings, to train them how to think better, how to ask the right questions, how to gather and analyze data, how to put an argument together, how to distinguish proper knowledge from fake knowledge. When universities do that well, they have fulfilled the expectations which a society ought to ask of them, to make sure that we understand our human condition, our uncertainties, our weaknesses as well as our strengths, much better this time round for the 21st century. Our future and the future of those who follow us depends upon it. The future of humankind does rest upon education, more than upon anything else. Professor Inwan Chue, Mr. President, I thank you.